I'm here with someone who we consider family at IWM Buzz and India Web Fest. Roy sir, extremely delighted to see you here and privileged to have you here. How was the session? What were the inputs and outputs given?
I think the session was extremely well planned. I think the overall panel, the colleagues that I had on the panels were very interesting. Each of them had a different point of view. I'm hoping that the conversation that we brought out at the panel was interesting for all the participants that were part of that, listening to us. I'd like to congratulate IWM Buzz. I think they've put together a very successful event, and best of luck for the future to them.
How do you look at the digital boom that is happening in India? There is obviously a boom, and how do you see it progressing in the days to come, say 3 to 5 years from now?
So I see, digital is inevitable. My logic and my feedback on this is that this is the way that tomorrow consumers are going to be consuming. So brands, businesses, creators of content, all of them need to align themselves to be able to be relevant to these audiences. Any kind of data suggests that India is going to go from 300 million to 600 million digital consumers.
True.
And being the youngest country in the world today, digital is going to be a way of life, and all of us need to build our businesses to be able to address this digital audience.
So finally, one Indian original that you love watching, which one would that be?
So it's a very interesting original. It's actually ours itself. We released this about 2 weeks back. It's a Marathi original of ours called Kamdev Prasanna. It's also in Hindi and Marathi. A phenomenal comedy show which has actually some of the biggest Marathi actors in the ensemble. And that's been my favorite over the last 6 odd months.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.